Hey there! Today, I'll show you how to add sticky notes in Canva. It's super easy, so let's get started. To add a sticky note, you have a couple of options. You can find sticky notes in the Elements tab. Just search for sticky notes and you'll see them there. Click to add to page. Alternatively, you can use a quick shortcut by pressing the S key when nothing is selected. Once you've added a sticky note, you can change the font, color of the note, and edit the content as needed. You can also see who added the sticky note. To arrange your sticky notes, simply click and drag them to place them wherever you like on your whiteboard. And that's it! Canva makes it really easy to add and customize sticky notes for your designs. Thanks for watching!